This is Kanji Lesson 4.
これが漢字授業4です。Now let's go into the video.
動画の中へ入りましょう。This is the kanji ko. Here we have added the JLPT level of each kanji. This kanji is the JLPT N5 Kanji
成り立ち
or origin.
A pictogram of a baby with a big head and supple hands and legs.
頭部が大きく、手、足のなよやかな乳児の象形。This is the stroke order for this kanji. Now let's go into the onyomi and kunyomi of this kanji. The onyomi is shi or su.
And the kunyomi is ko or ne.
Now let's go into the vocabulary or
恋、子供、
this means child.
様子、
This means state or condition.
末っ子。
This means youngest child. Oyako,
This means parent and child.
danshi,
This means boy.
joshi.
This means girl.
Now let's go into the example sentence.
調子はどうですか？
This means how is it going or how are you doing. This is the kanji toki
成り立ち、
or origin, a pictogram of a standing foot and the line that indicates the departure line.
立ち止まる足の象形と出発線を示す横一線。
This is the stroke order for this kanji. Now let's go into the onyomi and kunyomi of this kanji. The onyomi is ji.
And the kunyomi is 時、
Now let's go into the vocabulary or
恋。
toke,
This means clock.
jikan,
This means time or hour.
jiki.
This means time period. 時代、
This means era.
臨時、
This means temporary.
同時に。
This means simultaneously. Now let's go into the example sentence. Toki wa kane nari.
This means time is money.
This is the kanji kane
成り立ち、
or origin. This kanji's phonetic character is made up of the kanji meaning now, 8, and earth.
金は今と蜂と土が組み合わさって成り立った形成文字です。
This is the stroke order for this kanji. Now let's go into the onyomi and kunyomi of this kanji. The onyomi is kin or kon.
And the kunyomi is 金 or かな。
Now let's go into the vocabulary or
語彙。
kin,
This means gold.
okane,
This means money.
ryokin.
This means fare or fee. 税金、
This means tax amount.
年金、
This means pension.
金属。
This means metal. Now let's go into the example sentence. 災害で困っている人のために寄付金を集める。
We collect donations for the people troubled by disaster.
This is the kanji miru
成り立ち、
or origin.
the pictogram of the human eye or human.
人の目、人の象形。This is the stroke order for this kanji. Now let's go into the onyomi and kunyomi of this kanji. The onyomi is ken.
And the kunyomi is 目、
Now let's go into the vocabulary or
語彙、見る、
this means to see.
意見、
This means opinion.
発見。
This means to discover. 見学、
This means field trip.
味見、
This means to taste food.
見方。
This means point of view.
Now let's go into the example sentence.
友人からのメールを見逃した。
This means I overlooked an email from my friend. This is the kanji takai
成り立ち、
or origin.
pictogram of a tall building above a grand gate.
広大な門の上の高い建物の象形。This is the stroke order of this kanji. Now let's go into the onyomi and kunyomi of this kanji. The onyomi is ko.
And the kunyomi is taka.
Now let's go into the vocabulary or
語彙。高い。
this means high, tall, or expensive.
最高。
This means best or highest.
高級。
This means luxurious.
高速。
This means high speed.
残高。
This means balance or remainder.
高値。
This means high price. Now let's go into the example sentence. インフレの影響で食品の価格が高騰している。This means due to inflation, the food prices are soaring.
ナンリー
ありがとうございます。
Thank you!